Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to be learning how to play Simple and Clean from Kingdom Hearts on the ukulele. I am really excited about this one. It's one of my favorite songs, especially from my childhood. I play a lot of video games now, but especially back then, I was completely obsessed with Kingdom Hearts because it combined two of my favorite things, Final Fantasy and Disney. So it would be impossible for me not to love it. And I was completely obsessed with this song. Like, I knew it in Japanese, I knew it in English. We're doing the English version today, but hopefully you'll enjoy it too. First thing you need, make sure your ukulele's in tune. That's gonna be a G on the 4th string, a C on the 3rd string, E on the 2nd string, and A on the 1st string. The chords you need for this song are going to be a C, an E minor, an A minor, we add an F, and a G. There's two main progressions in this song. We're actually starting with the chorus, so that's going to go C, E minor, A, G, and then C, G, C, A minor. That's the general progression for the chorus. For that first run through, I would recommend just playing it on the chord changes. Now for the verse, we're going to be playing, it starts on an A minor, for instance, so we'll play on every beat like this. The progression for the verse is A minor, G, A minor, G, add an F, and then E minor, A minor, and then we'll go to the C, and then E minor, A, and then end with the E minor. And then we go back to our chorus progression for the next part. So let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. When you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let it go. Let's try the verse. 1, 2, here we go. You're giving me too many things lately. You're all I need. You smiled at me and said, don't get me wrong, I love you, but does that mean I have to meet your father? When we are older, you'll understand what I meant when I said no. I don't think life is quite that simple. And then we move to the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. When you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let it go. And then we go into the second verse. 1, 2, here we go. The daily things that keep us all busy are confusing me. That's when you came and said, wish I could prove I love you, but does that mean I have to walk on water? When we are older, you'll understand it's enough when I say so. And maybe things are quite that simple. And then you guessed it, we go right back into the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. When you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let it go. Now for the next part, it's the bridge of the song, it's gonna have the same progression as the chorus, but the melody is gonna be changing. So you're gonna get a little bit higher. You could sing it the octave down if you choose. I'm gonna be singing it the octave up. 1, 2, here we go. Hold me, what other lies beyond this morning? It's a little later on, regardless of warnings, the future doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before. Then go back into the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. When you walk away, you don't hear me say, please, oh baby, don't go. Simple and clean is the way that you're making me feel tonight. It's hard to let it go. And then you're gonna repeat that bridge part twice again. The first time we're gonna be playing it on every beat. The last time we're just gonna be doing it on the chord changes to add a little bit of contrast and a little bit of drama. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Hold me, whatever lies beyond this morning. It's a little later on, regardless of warnings, the future doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before. Hold me, whatever lies beyond this morning. It's a little later on, regardless of warnings, the future doesn't scare me at all. Nothing's like before. And that's the way it ends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in playing Simple and Clean from Kingdom Hearts. I really, really love video games, and I'm planning in the future, especially for my kiddos, to be doing different like Zelda, Ocarina of Time melodies and stuff on the recorder. But if there are any other like video game covers or tutorials that you would like to learn or like to have me do, make sure to comment in the description box below. Equally, as much as I love Disney, I love video games, and I'm a huge nerd in my private life. So most likely, if there's a video game that you would like me to do a song from, I will most likely know what it is. I would be rather shocked if I didn't. So make sure to comment and I can see what I can do. Please subscribe. I'll be posting new tutorials every single day for the month of July. So if you'd like to keep learning, this month it's ukulele, in the future it's going to be some other instruments. But make sure to subscribe so you can get all of those videos and learn how to play lots of different instruments. Thanks so much. Bye!